this is what we're working with. We got a lot of work to work on right here. The situation where the whole suspension is completely mangled up. Okay, we can go ahead and get started with the suspension components. We got pretty much the new one already in there, the new slicer link on there, all set. Axle right on in there, lower control arm, it's all in there. Go in the wheel and then just drop it and roll it back and forth, drive it back and forth. She's lit up like a Christmas tree.
Okay.
Parking sensors are working. All systems go. All right, so welcome to Savage X, where we do what, Mr. Dallas?
Anything and everything.
Anything and everything. Random car stuff. All right, so in today's video, we're gonna be working on the Dodge Durango, of course. And what we got going on is we got ourselves a new dashboard over there because, of course, as you can see, the dashboard in here isn't looking so well. The airbag here is out, the airbag on the knee is out. Same goes for the airbag on the dash over there, that's also out too. So what we're gonna do is take this one out and replace it with that one, all right? But as of right now, we got the professor in the back over here cleaning up the mess that was in the back, that was stinking up, sucio, very nasty.
Yeah, we took like 30 minutes trying to get cleaning supplies. We came back, he's just about done.
Just about done, just about done. So that's getting all taken care of, that's almost completely done.
He's over there raw dogging that mess. I couldn't do that.
Yeah, he couldn't do that. That's why he's wearing gloves. Come on now, you gotta get dirty. You gotta get dirty with it. You gotta get dirty with it.
I don't know.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started on ripping this out. It's gonna be Savage and the boys. Oh shit! Oh damn! All right, well.
Damn, bro.
Damn. But so what we're gonna do is
For anybody that needs a translator. Ah, my hand!
How do you say it in Spanish?
Something about La Semana or something.
La semana.
That's the week.
I mean, la semana. All right, and then on top of that, we do have a little something going on over here, but we're just gonna give it a little.
La Mana, that's what it is.
Mana,
I was
okay.
trying to think of that word.
But we're gonna give you a little glimpse of what's going on over here. This ain't no regular.
Should I?
Just a little bit, just quick. Oh, that's pretty much it. That's it.
You guys are
and
done.
then of course we got. This is a 2016, but
The lights on this?
You gotta change it to 2020.
yes.
No cat.
Give them a little glimpse. Ooh, that's it.
Good enough.
If you want to pause the video. Take a look for yourself. But I do have to say, these are actually better than what is already on there. So,
100%. It's 2022.
yeah.
See, this one is already clean here.
That's it. That's all.
Yep. So that's all set. So we needed that taken care of because
We're not gonna try to work around it.
yes, we weren't trying to work around it. So we're gonna go ahead, take the seats off, take the center console off, and then start ripping apart pretty much the whole dashboard, center console, of course, like I said, once again, the seats, all that's gotta go so then we actually have some space to work with in here. And then of course, we do have to take off, we have to disconnect the battery. No, we have to disconnect the battery because we can't put this dashboard in without disconnecting the battery. The airbag lights, they need to go off. So we gotta do that when the car is off. So first, but before we get to that, we gotta remove the seats because the seats are electronic.
And to even get to the battery,
It's under the seat.
you gotta move the
You
seat.
gotta move the seat.
All right, let's get to it.
Let's get to it. so Aquaman himself has made it through the oceans, through the sea, through everywhere, and we got. He's back. He's back. He hasn't been with us.
He calls me Aquaman, but he looks like a superhero, bro. Red man.
Niggas light skin and he got right
Black
under the
man. All right, so while Nick's back, he's pretty much joined us. He's been taking care of business, but he's back. He's joining us. So of course, it's Savage and the boys again, of course.
Sir.
And the professor.
Professor.
Can't forget about the
Can't forget about the professor. All right.
We're the boys, that's the boy himself. No
sir.
cap.
Get to the dashboard first.
Seats.
Seats.
Yeah.
All right,
you got
guys.
the first one out.
I'm back.
No
A little
cap.
rusty,
Uh-huh.
but let's get to the seats.
Let's get to the seat. All right, Professor, what you got to say?
Oh, nothing.
We ain't got nothing, no cap.
Got nothing.
Solid.
We're just doing crack, that's it.
Okay.
All right, fair enough.
It works. Tapping the bell from the seat.
Put it over the side. And then we gotta remove this right here. It looks like it's been messed with though.
What makes you say that?
A little bit stripping.
Okay, okay.
It's a little bit stripping. Let's see. Airbag. So now we got.
We did it.
I don't know what that man was doing down there, but hey, he's
Now we
back
just
up.
So now we just gotta go ahead and unplug all the wires and get this completely out. So that means I'm gonna need to go under here. Yep, hold it up just like that for me.
Damn. Nick, the only thing that's black on you right now is your hair.
And that shit's not even black. That's the crazy
It's just the
part.
curly part, that's it. I don't know, the way you put that behind your ear.
Say some crazy shit, man.
I'm an angel. Ask Martin Luther King.
Martin Luther King rolling in his goddamn grave right now. He said, "This is what the fuck I dreamed of. this is what I dreamed of. This is a nightmare."
No
He
cap.
said, when I said I wanted you to come together, I didn't mean to brace you.
I'm ready whenever you are.
All right, pull that sucker out. Oh, we got
Oh, shit.
one more. All right, right back here.
Damn, your hand is, your fingers bleeding.
Oh, oh, I didn't even.
good.
I didn't even feel that.
My fault, Spider-Man.
Damn.
You're bleeding on the car. Go give it something, man.
I'm bleeding. My shit's stiffy as hell.
Oh God. It's right here.
This piece. This is what you use
To lock and unlock.
No,
No?
not at all. Remember, we had to put this car in neutral.
Yeah. Ah.
This is your emergency when you need to put it into neutral.
Since that thing is out, is it necessary to remove that?
Yeah.
Go ahead and remove the dashboard, that's it.
No, we need this out because we're gonna need all the space. Because when the dashboard comes out, it has to come out in a certain way where you have all this space right here. You're gonna need all the space, so all this stuff has to pretty much go.
Muy bien.
I know a professor one.
Yeah, that's professor.
Supervisor.
There's something special they say. I observe from distance.
Yes. Then there we go. Boom. Oh. Whoa, there we go.
Finally got the middle console out.
Yep.
You know, we had couple scrapes and bruises. And shit.
Couple scrapes and bruises, but
Yeah.
hey, I'm not gonna cry about it. I can't. So, now, time for this guy. Yep. For the steering wheel. I push here.
You got it or you need a strong young man?
It's not about strong. It's about me getting a spot.
Every spot is your spot as a guy, I ain't gonna lie. Ask Aunt Shirley before she died. Well, you should have asked her. I told the doctor she died because of scoliosis. Nah,
I think you increased her scoliosis.
I took her back out.
I just want you. Oh, well, they're doing that. Cause this is difficult. Zoom in right there. It's difficult right there. My boy Muhammad, Shabazz X, aka
What the
African
hell?
Tarzan. My boy's been putting in work. He's been editing. You know, we always
Day and
haven't
night.
been able to be here. You know, if it's not me here, it's solid. If it's not solid here, it's me. If we can get all of us into the same room, boom, we're winners.
And we got a special guest tonight.
Exactly. The professor.
That's it.
No cap. He's been putting in a lot of work, this guy. So you're gonna have videos coming your way.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say what time because anything can happen. But just know there's content coming, and you're gonna see this pretty face and that racist pretty face, and this guy and this guy. You know what I mean?
Already knowing.
Ain't playing like it's a cartoon.
Okay.
Muhammad's thinking, look at these buffoons.
Yeah, looking
Gonna
at
get the
Boy Mama's
airbag
face.
off too soon. I can keep going for days and days. I eat bags of Lays and Lays. I'm always gonna wake up and chase the pay.
You like that one? We get out the hood.
Yeah.
I mean, we might get out the car, but I don't know about the hood.
So, after fighting with the steering wheel for quite some time, we were able to take out the dashboard and every other component that needed to be taken out. But the most difficult part was taking this guy out. So, that was a little difficult, but we got that out. And of course, we got the dash out, ready to roll. We just gotta go ahead and get the next one in. So, what I gotta do is move some parts from the old one to the new one, and then from there I just be able to start putting everything together. And let me not forget to mention the part where I had to do a little bit of plastic welding because this little flimsy piece broke off easily in transport, so I had to go ahead and take care of this first before I could move the parts from the old one to the new one. So, dash is ready to go. Now we just gotta go ahead and throw it back into the car. Just like that.
I got this.
No cap.
In. Now all we gotta do is just throw all the screws in and then we'll be ready to roll. Alright, so we got the dash in. I got my side of the dash all set up. I just gotta get this side done here and there. So then we got Mr. Dollars and the professor over there struggling with the knee airbag over there, but we're gonna get it in pretty soon. So me and Nick are just over here. We just
Chilling for now.
just chilling for now, just waiting, just watching. This guy here is the most racist guy I've ever known in my freaking
I'm
life.
the least racist person you'll ever meet.
It's the black Donald Trump.
Then what am I?
What is he? What am I? Yeah.
He's crack.
You are Rosa Parks. You gotta be back there. You can't be up here. I'm sorry.
All right, so knee airbags all set. This is all set. Next, we gotta go ahead and complete this right here, the center console. Gotta plug in all the wires, get it all ready, and then after we can go ahead and throw in that 8.4 Uconnect touchscreen. And after that, I do gotta put this back because I did have to take it off
Several times.
to put this piece
But it's
over
okay.
here. Yeah, several times, but you know what?
Okay.
It's okay.
You gotta make sure it's good.
All you need is one win.
Yes, sir.
That's
yes,
it.
sir. All right. So we still got the steering wheel we got to take care of with the airbag. That's on its way. Uconnect, glove box, center console, seats,